Yo, what is good? Got a special video for you all today. My boy Will, he's actually picking up his dream car today. So this might not be the best looking car in this video. Just kidding. I mean, this is always gonna be like my favorite. Like I absolutely love how this thing looks. But yeah, I mean, he's getting his dream car today, and he already has the GT350R. Great car, by the way. But yeah, I mean, he's getting something a little bit nicer. So I'm about to go pick him up. We're going to go take a look at the car. If everything goes well, he'll have it. And, we'll take a closer look at it. But it's going to be really sick. All right. He just finished all the paperwork and shit. You ready for the unveil?
All right. What car did I get?
I don't know. Woo! All right. Explain the deets.
All right, so this is an R8, the V10 edition. It's got all the carbon options. It's got the titanium forged wheels with the beautiful, beautiful carbon ceramic brake.
CCBs.
CCBs.
Damn.
Yeah. OEM, carbon mirror, carbon side blade, carbon ceramic rear brakes. So here's the back of the V10 R8. Yep.
Look at the carbon OEM.
Everywhere. OEM carbon diffuser. And take a look at that beautiful engine bay.
V10.
V10 with the carbon.
Woo.
Let's go. Let's go around this side. Got more of that good stuff, that carbon. All right.
Open it up.
Oh, shoot. Just kidding. It's not my car. No, just kidding.
All right. Got the carbon on the sides. All right, let me get in this thing. Oh.
Hey, yo.
All right. Got his wallet. Let's look at his cards real quick. Let's see. Got the. Oh, this is carbon too.
The carbon wraps around.
Yeah. Wraps around the top. That's pretty cool.
And your knee too. There's carbon on your knee.
Oh yeah, this is carbon too.
Yep.
Carbon everywhere. Literally everywhere.
Full carbon interior, full carbon exterior.
So 2011 R8.
V10 coupe.
Nice.
Stuff. My favorite option.
The
Carbon
CCBs.
ceramic brakes. Yeah.
The CCBs.
I'm a sucker for big brakes, man.
Yeah.
And it's got the LED headlights. Those come standard on the V10s, optional on the V8s. Full LED headlights, turn signal, and daytime running lights.
Start it up.
Start it up.
Let's hope it runs.
I don't know, did I buy a lemon?
I don't know. This man just ran the OBD check, so who knows?
I bought it.
After he bought it. So what if it doesn't start up? Who knows? Who knows?
Alright, let's see.
Wait. All right, go.
Alright, for the unveiling of the engine. There you go.
Damn. Carbon in here too. Full carbon bay.
Every single carbon option available it had. Every option in 2011 it had. So the carbon ceramic brakes were exclusive for the 2011 and newer. 2010s did not have that option. So every single option.
Nice. You excited?
Definitely. But there's a lot of things I want to do to it, so stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned for another video. He'll do a little bit more in-depth next time, I think. This is mainly just his, getting a little excited about getting a new car.
Exactly. The adrenaline just pumping through my veins, Got my dream car, It's exciting.
Should have been the new one though, but that's just me.
Bro, how old am I?
You're kind of old, man.
Not as old as you.
Fuck you.
I got you there. But yeah, it was either this or a Z06 C7 Corvette.
I think you made a good choice.
Yeah.
R8's
I've
way
been
better
telling
than
you it's one of the two for the past year. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
R8 is way better, in my opinion.
I think I made the right decision. It's got the B&O audio system too.
Yeah.
So, I love it.
Wow. Yeah, that's it, you know. Just a nice little unveil. Just bought it right now.
My headlights?
Barely.
Barely.
Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
We're back to shoot later.
We'll see. Yeah, we'll see what else this man does to this car, but should be a fun drive while it lasts. Thank y'all for watching.